Okay, hi students, this is your Suman sir. So now in this semester, I want to teach you the programmable logic controllers and its applications. So in this programmable logic controller and its applications, we have 5 units. So we will see about the unit by unit. So our first discussion starts with unit 1. So what are the contents present in the unit 1 are our first unit will be classified into two parts. So the first part is the PLC basics and the second part is PLC programming. So what are the contents in the present in the PLC basics and what are the contents present in the PLC programming? Let us see. So the contents in the PLC basics are first one is PLC system and IO modules and interfacing, CPU processor, programming equipment, programming formats, construction of the PLC ladder diagrams, devices connected to the input and output modules. So coming to the second part of the our first unit is the PLC programming. So what are the contents in the PLC programming? Input instructions, outputs, operational procedures, programming examples using contacts and coils, drill press operation. So coming to the first slide of our first unit. So the first we go to introduction. So in this, first of all, what is PLC? So PLC is a user friendly microprocessor based specialized computer that carries out control functions of many types and levels of complexity. That means, first of all, the full form of the PLC is programmable logic controllers. So it is a user friendly and microprocessor based specialized computer. It is a computer based application and this can be used in the industrial applications, industrial purpose applications. So its purpose is to monitor crucial process parameters and adjust the process operations accordingly. So in any industry, in any changes made in the input side, so those parameters will be taken by the our PLC and it should do some modifications accordingly. So this is the main thing of the PLC. So it can be programmed, controlled and operated by a unskilled in operating computers also. That means this PLC will be controlled and programmed and operated by a, even though he don't know the any knowledge about the computer. And essentially a PLC's operator draws the lines and devices of the ladder diagrams with a keyboard onto a display screen. That means, so here like in the C++, we have to know about the syntaxes of the different identifiers, etc. For example, in the C++ we have printf and scanf and clear all, getch like that. But in the PLC we don't mug up the syntaxes. Why? Because this programming is a lines lines program. That means this can be looks like a ladder. So the programming in this PLC we call it as ladder diagrams. Ladder diagrams by using a keyboard and a display, and simply we can convert it, that resulting drawing is converted into a computer machine language and run as user program. That means we can draw the program by using the ladder diagrams and that program will be converted into the computer machine in order to perform a particular operation. So here we no need to bother about the syntaxes for the different instruction sets, etc. And next, coming to the, we can start our unit with advantages and disadvantages of the PLC and the overall PLC system, and then we can go for our further discussions. So coming to the advantages and disadvantages of the PLC, so we have 13 advantages and nearly we discuss about the 5 disadvantages. So what are the 13 advantages means? First one is flexibility and the second one is implementing the changes and correcting the errors, and the third one is large quantities of the contacts, and the fourth one is lower cost, and the fifth one is pilot running, and the sixth one is visual observation, and the seventh one is speed of operation, and the eighth one is ladder or Boolean programming method, and the ninth one is simplicity of ordering control system components, and the 10th one is documentation, and the 11th one is reliability and maintainability, and the 12th one is security, and the 13th one is the ease of changes by reprogramming. However, we have the five disadvantages also, and what are those disadvantages means newer technology and fixed program applications and environmental considerations, fail safe operation and fixed circuit operations. So coming to the advantages of the PLC, we can discuss the one by one. The first one is the flexibility. Flexibility. So if you go for the normal relay operation, in order to control any device, definitely we need one controller for that one to control the operation of that particular device. So by using the PLC, we can control the nearly 15 devices at a time by using single PLC module. So that is the flexibility. So by using that single PLC module, we can control the 15 devices at a time and for different operations, 15 different operations. So that much of flexibility we have. So in this flexibility topic, what we observe means we can control by using single PLC module, we can control nearly 15 devices at a time. And next, coming to the second advantage of the PLC is implementing changes and correcting the errors. Suppose in a relay system, if there is any change we want to done, or if you want to make any correction in that relay system, definitely we have to go there and we have to change the wiring connections. But in this PLC, we no need to go for the wiring connections. Simply we can change the any changes, or if you correct the any errors by computer itself. So that is the advantage of the PLC system. And next, large quantities of contacts. That means suppose if you want to extend the our PLC programming to the furthermore contacts, then we suppose we have in our program we have 4 contacts, and suppose if you want to extend our program to nearly 7 contacts, then no need to go for the 17 7 contacts. You can use the only 3 contacts. Why? Because we can use the previous 4 contact program for here also. That means if you want to go for the large quantities of contacts, there is no need to put the large number of contacts. Simply we can put the previous contacts and we can add the any another additional contacts. If you want to introduce, we can introduce. And next, lower cost means since this one is a newer technology, as the technology grows up, the operating devices will be available in a very lower cost and lower size by providing the various applications. Nearly the PLC cost is nearly less than the $100 itself. And next, pilot running means we have to control our industrial application by using PLC at anywhere in our industry site. That means in the lab or office, wherever we have. Suppose we have the one system in the lab and one system in the our office room. So if you go there in the office, from there we can control our operation, or if you go to the lab, so there also we can control our operation. By how means? That means the pilot running operation will be provided in our PLC systems. And next, visual observation means suppose if there is any change in the industrial operations, or is there any a fault in the industrial operations, then there is no need to go for that switch yard. Simply we sit in front of the computer and we can observe the changes in the industrial operations in the monitor itself. So in that monitor we have the pilot lights, etc. All those indicators indicates the whether the fault occurs or whether the operation will be running in smoothly or. So that means the visual observation of the entire industrial operations will be, we can visualize at the in front of the monitor itself. So that is also one of the advantage of the our PLC system. And next, speed of the operation. So the speed of the operation also very high by using the PLC module. So that the speed can be, we can decided by the scan time. That scan time is nothing but nearly in milliseconds. Milliseconds. And next advantages is ladder or Boolean programming method. Since we use the ladder diagram technique and Boolean programming methods, this one is a very simple program to understand and simple program to perform. So because of this programming method, the PLC has the advantage. And next, the ninth advantage of the PLC is simplicity of ordering the controlling system components. That means if you want to perform one operation in the industry or anything, then we have to introduce the, or we have to order the all the equipments one by one. But this single PLC will have the all the timer operations, counter operations, and conversion operations and comparison operations. All operations will be inserted in the single PLC module. Number of timers and number of counters and number of conversion functions and number of comparison functions and number of arithmetic functions, all those are inserted in a simple and single module. So if you want to simply order one single PLC module, so the customer service for this simple module is very simple and very convenient. So the ordering of these controlling system components will be very simple. That means all are inserted in the single module and the ordering of the single module is very simple to us. That is the main criteria. So because of this feature, the PLC has more advantages. And next, reliability and maintainability. In this PLC modules we use the solid state devices. So we already know that the solid state devices are more reliable and the maintenance also very simple. So because of the uses of the solid state devices in the PLC module, the PLC module is more reliable and maintenance also very simple. And coming to the 10th one, documentation. That means if you want to take out the printout of the our PLC programming, simply we can click the right click and print. Then we can get the total document of the program which we draw on your monitor or programming equipment. So this is also one of the advantage of the PLC module. And coming to the 12th 12th advantage is security. Security means, suppose if you want to maintain our program in privately, that means we have to maintain some secure, then what we do means we have to provide the lock for that particular program. So that facility will be present in the this PLC software. So because of that reason, the security point of view also, the PLC module is more advantageous. And use of changes by reprogramming. That means already we have the one program and that program you stored in the PLC software, and suppose if you want to do some modifications in that program and if you run that program in a different manner, that means if you want to reprogramming that program, so that facility is also provided in this PLC software in the monitor. So simply we can open the PLC program and we have to do some modifications in that PLC program, and if you run that program, then definitely that particular program will be perform the another operation. So in this manner we can reprogramming the existing program. So that is the one of the flexibility and that is the one of the advantage of the PLC system. So that's why we consider the ease of changes by reprogramming is also one of the advantage of the PLC module. So like that we have totally 13 advantages. What are the 13 advantages? First one is the flexibility, and second one is the implementing changes and correcting errors, and third one is the large quantities of contacts, and fourth one is the lower cost, and fifth one is the pilot running, and sixth one is the visual observation, and seventh one is the speed of operation, and eighth one is the ladder or Boolean programming method, and ninth one is the simplicity of ordering controlling system components, and tenth one is the documentation, and 11th one is the reliability and maintainability, and 12th one is the security, and 13th one is the ease of changes by reprogramming. And like that we have the PLC disadvantages also. So we can conclude this video with these advantages and disadvantages. So coming to the disadvantages, what are the various disadvantages of the PLC? I already told. So totally we have the 5 disadvantages. The first one is the newer technology, and the second one is the fixed program applications, and the third one is the environmental considerations, and the fourth one is the fail safe operation, and the fifth one is the fixed circuit operation. So coming to the first one, since it is a newer technology, at present this is not the newer technology. At these contents will be we taken from the our John W. Webb textbook. So at that time, that means nearly 1986, the John W. Webb write this book, Programmable Logic Controllers. So according to that book, that one is a newer technology. So nowadays the PLC will be used in the most of the cases. So because of the newer technology, that is the one of the disadvantages of the PLC. And some PLCs have the fixed program applications. That means if you buy a PLC module, and that module can be applicable for only one fixed program only. So at that case, that module can be used for the only one operation only. So at that case, that may not be used for the another programmings. So because of the, if you go for the fixed program application module, then that is the disadvantage of the PLC definitely. And next coming to the third one is environmental considerations. Environmental considerations. So what are the environmental considerations? Because of the humidity and temperature and dust, so many accepts, the PLC module may be somewhat damaged. So because of that environmental considerations, we may not use the PLC module properly. So that's why we consider the environmental considerations also one of the disadvantages of the PLC. And next, fail safe operation. Suppose if the power is off, then suppose if a programming is running in the industry, then if the power is off, then if the power is again on, then what happens? The program may not be run from the at that particular position onwards. So that means that will be disturb the operation, safe operation of the our industrial application. So we have some fail safe operations. We may fail in the safe operation while we get the obstacles in the power supply. So however, we have the some remedies for that one. So if you without that remedies, definitely some fail safe operation is there. So that's why we consider the fail safe operation is also one of the disadvantage of the PLC system. And coming to the fifth one, fixed circuit operations. That means like that fixed program applications, some modules have the only fixed circuit only, so that cannot be used for the some another circuit operations. So that is the that is the disadvantage of the PLC. So that's why we consider the fixed circuit operations also one of the disadvantage of the PLC module. So in this video we see about the 13 advantages and 5 disadvantages. Those 13 advantages are nothing but flexibility, implementing changes and correcting the errors, and large quantities of contracts, lower cost, pilot running, visual observation, speed of operation, ladder or Boolean programming method, simplicity of the ordering of the controlling system components, documentation, reliability and maintainability, security, and use of changes by reprogramming. And coming to the disadvantages, newer technology, fixed programming applications, environmental considerations, fail-safe operations, and fixed circuit operations. So in the next video, we will see about the overall PLC system. The next video we will see about the overall PLC system and what are the computers we prefer for the operating with the PLC modules. Thank you.